What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to use the Snap to Scale feature inside FL Studio. Alright, so right now it's in the key of C minor, and whatever scale you got selected, the notes of that scale will be highlighted in the background grid of the piano roll. And this music note right here is to activate the Snap to Scale. Once you activate the Snap to Scale, no matter where you type in a note in the piano roll, it'll only play a note within the scale. Now I'm gonna show you how to change the scale highlighting. Come up here to your piano roll options, come down to view, and then go down to scale highlighting. And as you can see, they got a whole bunch of different scales you can choose from. And then over here, you can choose what key you want it to play in. And you right click to choose the scale without closing out the window. I'm gonna keep it in natural minor, but change the key to D sharp. And as you can see, the highlighted notes on the background grid change to the key of D sharp. Now these chords are still in the key of C minor because that's the scale I had highlighted when I made them. But since I switched the highlighted scale to D sharp, if I move these chords, they're gonna automatically switch to some chords within the D sharp minor scale. And at any time, you can just turn off the Snap to Scale and move the chords up and down the piano roll however you would like. Alright, so that was a quick video of me showing you how to use the Snap to Scale feature inside FL Studio. This is a really good feature inside the piano roll, especially for somebody that might be new to music theory or just getting started making music in general. I know I say this all the time, but I hope I was able to help somebody with this video. And if I did, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Till the next video, I'ma holla at y'all. Peace.